boys and girls.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, now let's begin our lesson. Before the lesson, I want to wish you good luck. Okay, before the lesson, we will begin to do one exercises. You should repeat after me. Okay, let's begin. One, two, three, four, five, six,
seven, eight, nine.
Good day, dear colleagues. I want to present a lesson in grade 8 by the theme Places of Natural Beauty. First of all, I wished good luck for my students. Then we did kinesthetic exercises for the 30 seconds for make their two part of our brain to work identically and to be active at the lesson. Then I divided them for two groups by airplane tickets for Tugen waterfalls and Lake Issyk.
Okay, I want you to divide into two groups. I'll give you passport and ticket. Okay? Okay, look at your tickets and find your group. Okay, today's our theme is places of natural beauty, and I want to ask you to close your eyes, and listen to the sound.
As a pre-reading task, I asked my students to close their eyes and listen to the sounds. Where are you? What can you see? What can you smell? What can you touch, hear, and how do you feel?
Okay, open your eyes. Okay, two groups. Who wants to answer this question? Okay, Aidana.
I smell blossom flowers and I see waterfalls.
Okay, sit down. Okay, next group. Who wants? Okay, Nurai.
I touch flowers. I'm relaxed.
Okay. Okay, dear children, your home task was to learn by heart new words. So let's check by these boys. One man, please.
I decided to check up the home task by books and balls. In one ball, I hid a present for one student.
Okay, one by one.
Dam, bөгет.
Okay, Yazan.
Right?
Mixture, okay. Yes. Okay. The next. Okay, Kawsar. Okay.
Majestic Island'da Sigtoluk Tağız, Waterfall Sakrana.
Forum kurastırır mısın?
Islam.
Waterfall. Sarful.
Okay, very good. Okay, children, what can you see at this screen? Okay, this picture is Jeta Khazna. How do you think? What will we do? What will we do? You will be accessed by Jeta Khazna, our Kazakh treasure. Okay, children, our country has a lot of natural beauty places in our Kazakhstan. So I want to ask you, what beauty places do you know? Aiman? Koktebe. Okay, we do. Right?
Balkhash.
Yes, Balkhash. It's a natural beauty of our country. Aydana. Mas, okay, means maybe. Aydana. Harakat. Okay. Sayal. What kind of? Kusai.
Turgen waterfalls.
Yes, Turgen waterfalls. There is a lake. So we are going today to travel into Lake Turgen waterfalls and Lake Sissi. Now let's begin our traveling. Okay, children, look at the screen. We will watch the video about our natural places.
Places of natural beauty. With a fascinating mixture of history and natural beauty, here are two perfect places to go for a trip in Kazakhstan. Turgen Waterfalls is a beautiful area located in the Trans-Ili Alatau area of the Tian Shan Mountains.
Okay, children, look at me. Now we will play the next game by throwing a cubik to these groups, to two groups. Okay, you should answer to my questions. Who? Okay, who visit these popular destinations?
Locals and tourists.
Okay, very good. You are right. Okay, the next group. When? When's the best time or season to visit these places?
August of September.
Or September. Okay, very good. It's for you. Children, the next task is exercise 3. You should find words by this jigsaw. Okay, let's. This work will be pair work. I'll give you these cards. So begin.
In this task, students should match the words and phrases in bold with their definition by jigsaw.
Okay, excellent. Who wants to check the first? Who wants? Okay, Aydana.
Surrounding Narvi, situated in a sheltered location, Nesland.
Okay, the next. Nuray.
Surrounding
Opportunity.
blend mixture.
Okay. Okay, children, the next task is we should read the text again. We have read it and decide whether the statements are true or false. Correct the false statements. Okay, let's read this sentence. Who wants the first? Nuray.
Turgen waterfalls are in the Tianshan Mountains, about 70 kilometers east of Almaty.
Is it true or false?
True.
True. Okay, sit down. The next, second, Aydana.
Lake itself was originally formed in 1963.
Is it true or false? Yes. The next, false. The next. Okay, Aydana.
Lake is set in 1,760 meters below sea level.
Okay, false. Okay, false. The last, Aiman.
Turgen waterfalls and Lake Sissi are road for fall on
One another, huh?
True.
True. Yes, true or false. That I'll give you stickers for right answers. Now, dear children, we will do group work. You should write sentences to this poster to how to protect our nature of beauty. This for you. This for you. Begin. Good.
Если надо вот caring your nature, take care of animals, don't throw the litter, don't pollute the water, and make a paid entry.
Okay, very good. The next.
Take an undercut, take care for trees, flowers, plants, take care of animals.
Don't pick plants for letters, don't kill animals.
Okay, very good. Take your stickers. This forward. This for you. Sit down. Okay, this is self-assessment. I'll give you to each of you. You should make self-assessment for yourself. And this for you. Make assessment for yourself. The next. Make assessment. Okay, at the end of the lesson, I want to make assessment for you. Nilay was very good, excellent, 10 points. Shula, 10 points. Kausar, 9 points. Alima, 10 points. Farafat, 8 points. And I want to give each of you coupons for being active. This coupon for homework task. You can not make one homework.
Thank you.
The next coupon is for Shula. Positive note for parents. The next coupon is to sit with a buddy pass. You can sit with your friend at my lesson for one lesson. The next Sayala home pass, homework pass. Aidana 5 bonus points. For Denise 5 bonus points. You were very active. Thank you for attention. Okay, children, in each of you have passports. Yes? In this passport, you should write reflection. For this lesson, I know, I want to know. Okay, begin. The conclusion of our lesson. Open your passports and write your reflection.